Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss what is SPSS and what are the benefits of SPSS. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. The package was first developed by Norman Ney and his colleagues in 1968 in the United States of America, and the package or software later in 2009 was acquired by IBM. This package is purely designed for the researchers and the students of social sciences to perform statistical analysis. It's very easy to perform a range of statistical analysis through this software. Not only range of statistical analysis but also a sort of complex and complicated statistical analysis can be performed in a simple and easy way through this software. Before discussing the benefits or uses of this software, I want to show you the interface of SPSS. This is SPSS interface in which you can see there are two views, data view and variable view. In variable view, one can enter the names of the variables here uh, according to his or her study. After entering the names of the variables, one can add or enter the data of those variables in this view, in data view. After entering the data, one can perform desired results using these options. Now let's discuss the benefits or uses of SPSS. SPSS can be used to analyze and summarize data using a wide range of statistical analysis like descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and data visualization. In descriptive statistics, it's very easy to perform measures of central tendency tests like mean, median, mode. Even with a single click, you can get output of mean, median, mode as per your requirement. Similar to measures of central tendency, it's very easy to analyze measures of variability or dispersion like range, standard deviation, and variance. Inferential statistics, as you all know, that inferential statistics is all about to make predictions or to draw conclusions about a population based on a sample data. So for inferential statistics, it's very easy to perform correlation analysis, t-tests, ANOVA, analysis of variance, regression analysis, and chi-square tests in SPSS. Through very simple procedure one can perform. I will provide all the links of correlation analysis, regression analysis, ANOVA, t-test, mean, median, mode in the description of this video, how one can perform all these analyses in SPSS. And data visualization, as you all know, that data visualization is the process of representing data in a visual or graphical format to help people to better understand and interpret the information. So SPSS helps researchers to develop charts, graphs, and dashboards to better understand and interpret the information in graphical way. It's very easy for researchers to enter, edit, and manage survey data in SPSS. Uh, SPSS also allows researchers to clean the data and validate multiple validation techniques to check the data. Either data is reliable and valid to perform the further analysis. Through SPSS, researchers can also generate customized reports and tables according to the objective of their studies. And these reports and these tables can be exported into multiple formats like PDF, Excel, or HTML formats. It's very easy and simple to perform the analysis, not only analysis but also getting output from the SPSS. So in this way researchers can save their precious time using SPSS. SPSS often used in market research to analyze consumer data like a customer satisfaction survey, uh, intention to buy a particular brand survey. So, with these surveys, you can get insights into consumer behavior. So, for market research, SPSS is also equally beneficial for the researchers. Even for clinical research, SPSS helps researchers to analyze medical and health data, for example, analyzing treatment effects on life satisfaction of patients, or checking the effect of disease severity and quality of life of the patients. Similar to market research, clinical research, SPSS is equally beneficial for educational research to analyze data related to the tests and assessments of the students. Not only assessment of the student, but also helps researchers of educational research to conduct studies on teaching methods and students' achievements. In a nutshell, SPSS facilitate all the disciplines of social sciences like sociology, psychology, political science, and economics to analyze and interpret the data. Thank you very much for watching the video.